Hi everyone, welcome to another informative video on my YouTube channel. Today, I am going to show you how to remove an email address from your Roblox account. So without any delay, let's get into the process. First of all, you need to open any of your preferred browsers. For instance, I have opened Google Chrome here. After that, you'll see I am on the home page of the Roblox website. From here, I'll have to click on Settings. In the Settings menu, you can see Account Info first. Then there are options like Security, Privacy, etc. We only need to access Account Info here and click on the Edit button right in front of the email. After that, you can enter a new email and link it with your Roblox account, or you can simply remove the email. However, there might be some limitations for users without an email. Well, that's it. Now you know how to remove an email from your Roblox account. For more videos on your favorite tech and gaming software, subscribe to my YouTube channel.